What is going on, guys? Dave over here in the outskirts of Houston, and this is Cup-N-Char Buffalo Pizza Cafe. I saw they had some Detroit style pizza. That's why I was kind of feeling like today some like burnt, kind of caramelized mozzarella, thick crust Detroit style pizza with the sauce on top of it. So let's go check out and see if this is what I'm craving. Let's go. Alright guys, made it to Cup-N-Char Buffalo style pizza. So this is not actually Detroit style. This is like their Buffalo style pizza. They're from Buffalo. And it comes with, supposedly it's like a lighter crust pizza, lighter, more airy pizza. And it's not like the pizza with the sauce on top of it. But we'll find out all of that. But they have the four most popular ones, which is the honey cream, spicy margarita, spicy Italian, double stacked. I decided to go with the honey cream, which looks like it has some lots of vegetables in it, but we'll find out. It looks like it has a lot of things. I also got me a cheese pizza and along with the wings. So the wings, they do have buffalo dipping sauce, so that's good. But yeah, they got other things. They got hot dogs, they got the pizzas for sure, salads, subs, if you want that, but those are the two things I'm getting right now. So as far as the pricing for everything, the half pizzas, and like I said, I can't find the pizza that I'm getting over here. Oh, here's actually honey cream. It has pesto base, mozzarella, pepperoni, bacon, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, whipped honey, goat cheese cream, and hot honey drizzle. That's actually everything but the hot honey. I'm not so sure about sweetness on my pizza, but he did also say that their sauce, the marinara, is also a little bit sweeter than normal. But that's going to cost me about $15.99, so that's like a half pizza. So I think that's 4 slices. And then I also got the lunch special, which is like $12. So that comes with 1 slice of pizza and then 5 wings, and that's about $12 with a drink. So that's a pretty good deal. But like the party size pizzas are $60 for like the meat lovers. You got like the medium pizza, which is like $26. I feel like on the end of like a specialty type of pizza place. So a little bit higher priced, but we'll see if it's worth it. I got the cheese pizza with their wings. They got the hot flavor. Of course, they got blue cheese dressing here because blue cheese is the only way to eat your wings. And I'm glad to have it because ranch is okay if there's nothing else, but definitely like the funk from the blue cheese. So we'll check out what this place has. So far, I'm just waiting. Probably be taking, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I've been waiting about 5 minutes so far. So we'll see how long my pizza takes. So just looking at this pizza, it is freaking gorgeous. I'm excited to eat it. You got the basil, you got the tomatoes, you got the bacon, you got the goat cheese on top of there, the pepperonis. This is 1 slice, pretty huge. It is like a light crust, kind of focaccia-y maybe. Let's try some of the goat cheese. A little sweeter, I can taste the sweet honey. Goat cheese on anything, it's so good. A little sweetness from that too. I'm just gonna pull out some of the pizza. So there's the cheese, some goat cheese in there, some bacon. Very tasty. Like artesian pizza, I would call it. Look at that burnt cheese, similar to a Detroit pizza. And this is not Detroit pizza. You made sure to tell me that a few times. This is Buffalo style New York pizza. Definitely has a little bit of that Detroit pizza type of crust feeling, but it is super airy and light and fluffy like he said. And I love the basil on top of it. Try the tomato. Pretty tasty. Maybe a little more like some Tabasco on this would be good. I didn't see any. But yeah, solid slice. I love it. I like it. We got the cupped pepperonis. There's a little bit of like a hot sauce touch on there. There's like a red sauce on top of the cheese, but yeah, use a little more in my opinion. But very good pizza. All right, this is my lunch special, 13 bucks with a drink right here. And I got cheese pizza a la Dave Portnoy just to try just the cheese and probably try a little bit more of the marinara. So let's get this piece. Pretty big slices of pizzas. Lots of flop for sure. Let's try this one. This one's not as well cooked as the other one. Yeah, with that bite, definitely a light, like marinara, but very tomatoey. Super hot. So this slice tastes more like a focaccia bread. It's good, but the sauce is missing a little bit of tang to it. And that's why I think the other one is good, because it has that tang from the hot sauce. Speaking of hot sauce, that's okay. Let's try the blue cheese with my wings. The wings are super saucy and they're nice and big. Let's get me a flat. Good kick to it. I would be more than happy with these while watching a game. Actually, the NBA finals are on tonight. I would love to have this during the game. Wings are excellent. This, I think it needs the pepperoni, because without the pepperoni, it's not salty enough. This one is very doughy compared to the other pizza. I feel like was cooked a little bit better, because you see the bottom just a little bit more floppier. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this slice, and then I'll talk to you else. I tell you what you think about Cup-N-Char here. All right, guys, so that's me from Cup-N-Char. What I think about it, I'm gonna give this place a 4.3. Pretty yummy pizza over here. I enjoyed it. The cheese pizza wasn't my favorite. I felt like that one may have been a little undercooked for me, but the other one, the honey whatever one I got, that one with the goat cheese and the basil and the pepperoni and all that, that's really added to the flavor of the pizza. I like the crunch on the pizza too, especially when it was well cooked. Like the first pizza, again, the cheese pizza, a little undercooked. The wings were excellent too, and the staff in there super friendly. Nice little place over here for some Buffalo style pizza, not Detroit pizza. And if you guys want to follow me with the food, follow me at Foodie. I'll see you guys on the next one.